I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Your phone must run WhatsApp and have internet. Install WhatsApp Desktop or open a fresh browser profile now. This avoids cached session conflicts. Once done, enable Bluetooth or USB tethering as an alternative link channel if QR scanning is unavailable. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location permissions are on for discovery. Finally, keep phone unlocked and WhatsApp foregrounded so the app can respond to the next connection prompts. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to Settings right arrow Linked Devices. Tap Link a device and look for the alternative option to link without QR. If visible, follow the prompts. If not, enable Bluetooth tethering or connect via USB and accept pairing requests on both devices. The app will show a numeric code or PIN. Compare it to the code on your laptop and approve only if they match. This step creates an encrypted session, so messages sync securely. Finish by approving the connection on your laptop. WhatsApp will sync chats and media. Make sure you allow background activity and network access on both devices, then disable temporary tethering if used. Once linked, you can manage or revoke the session from your phone's linked devices list. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, re-enable Bluetooth/USB and app permissions, and retry the pairing flow. If a code mismatch appears, cancel and start over to avoid unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.